had an hour or so to kill, so I thought I'll come up the allotment. Looks like we've had visitors up here because most of the doors to the old sheds are all open, and yeah, well, what I thought was I would give you a sneaky little look round the allotment. Now, it's bloody cold here in Leeds, and must be about -1-ish, and the sky looks a bit threatening behind us. A bit dramatic, but you know, it's not quite nice actually. So yeah, I'll take you around. This is the main path. I'll take you down here. Now I do know that there's been 5 of the plots let, so I think, looking at this in the way that things have been, this is possibly one that's been let, but it's very difficult to see because there's no boundaries anywhere. This is another one, so I think that one there is still free, and one over there. So I'll take you around. I have got some other footage which I shall put together, but as you can see, it's a bit of a death trap, to be honest. So let's have a look and see what we can do. Oh. Right. So, difficult to see whether it's just all weeds that have died off, or whether actually anybody has been up and done any work. So, one of the biggest things is that a lot of them have just been left, and the council have only just managed to get some of them back, and because of this, people have just been dumping things from other plots. See what I mean? So yeah, I'll take you down this one. Now this one right at the back is an interesting one because it's a corn plot, and let's have a look at this one first. See, I'm not quite sure whether anybody has been up here, but you see what I mean? All these bushes, oh, I've got labels on, and they've all been in here for ages. Yeah, I think somebody's been in. That's another one, so it continues all the way down here. So, this is the corn plot, and it's been like this, according to Google Earth, when you have a look at the satellite, for a good 4 years. There's 2 down here. It's probably not a good time to come looking because, you know, it's not in the best of conditions at this time of year. It's coming to the end of November. I mean, it's a couple of videos which I'm going to put together, but they cover kind of, well, June, July, October. But anyway, take you around. It's not a big plot, only about, it's not a big site, it's only about 36 plots, and like I say, some of the guys have spent some time on these plots, and they're not really up to a good standard, but like I was saying, council have just left it, and the new allotment supervisor, whatever you want to call them, I think she's finally managed to get some of them under control. And I say, this one, it's a tricky one because I haven't seen anybody growing on this. So, there you go. Weirdly enough, I think you've seen most of it, but I will take you right down the far end again. I think in this area at least there's about three allotment sites. There's this one, and there's one further over in the village over that way, and there's one over in the distance in the housing estate over there. Hopefully as time goes on I will tell you a bit more about the area, give you a lowdown of the what used to be here many moons ago. But you know, it's a shame because people crying out for allotments, and there's 175,000 people, according to Greenpeace, are waiting for allotment sites. They're waiting for allotment plots. And then you take a look on here, and there's about, I don't know, there was 16, I think there's about 11 now. 5 of them have been taken. And I just can't wait up. Yeah, I think I've worked out the reason why it looks like people have been on here. It's because it's all had a good frost. We've had temperatures of what, -2 thereabouts. We're back to where we started.